Hey everybody, it's In Straws. I'm going to do another inventory. This is a Hubley 1930 Packard Sport Phaeton. It's 122 scale. Out of all of the kits that I have, I think this is the only one that actually says the scale that's on it. So they're all generally the same. Kit 4859. Box is in really good shape. I have the instructions. I'm going to move this so that it will focus. We have the interior card, and we have stickers. So that's the dashboard, and I guess that's probably a tail light or something. We do have the white walls on the stickers. So I'm going to leave this here for a second. Actually, you can pause your video at any time. Here's the instructions. Hopefully you can zoom in. I'm trying a different position. I'm probably going to kill my back hovering over this. So steps 9 and 10. 11, 12, 13. 14, 15. I apologize if you can't read it, but if you don't have the instructions, well, you're kind of hurting anyway, but it's at least going to get you a help. And here's the parts list. This one moved up to, I guess it said Hubley, but the instructions are saying Gabriel, or Gabriel Bottom, and they've got the catalog. So they're just showing their various different kits that they're selling. Alright, this one's got a chrome bag. Let's get that out of the way. Everything looks to be there. Looks really nice. Reverse side. Well, they did a nice job plating that. We have the yellow plastic. So these are the wheels. And the bag is now heat sealed. The seat, the boot. It looks like spark plug wires. See that? Spark plug wires in there. This bag is sealed as well. So we've got a big engine here. They're cast together. Rear axle, front axle, oil pan. What is that? That might be a drive shaft. Hoping there's not much glare on this. A lot of screws. We've got different lengths of screws this time. We've got what appears to be the steering shaft, different length screws, rubber hoses, and they're flexible. So there's 3 hoses. We must have 2 on the top of the radiator. This is much larger than the last one that I looked at. A lot of flash. It have to be cleaned and filed down. Likewise the frame. Not much left in the box. Let's see how the tires. Tires nice and rubbery. The plastic, that's the windshield. You see, I mean, this is yellowed, but it's just flim-flam little plastic. That appears to be flash. We have 2 sides to the body. Check that lunk out. And that's probably like, I'm not sure. But put it together. This would probably be across to keep you away from the chauffeur. There's a couple chrome pieces that don't know what they're for, why they're not in. Well, I guess this guy over here, missing something there. All right. Again, this was 1930 Packard. Kit says it's by Hubley, but the catalog that was in there was from Gabriel. Straighten that out, center it up. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe if you would.